Yo, what's up guys? It is Chase Liefeld here, and today in this video I'll be teaching all of you guys how to make money super quickly as a teenager. Alright, now I have been that kid that like looks under my couch for like change, and I've been that guy who like does every single thing to like make every single dime, and I know how hard it is to make money because, you know, you have to wait till like Christmas or your birthday to even get like your next like hope of getting something you want or something. So I know how hard it is to make money as a teenager, guys. So I pretty much compiled a list of great ideas to, you know, get started, get the ball moving, and make a ton of money. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I'm a teenager, I'm 15, and I'm making a couple $1,000s a month off of what I'm doing right now. If you guys want to check it out, check my Instagram right here. It's me and my friends, we're doing some really cool stuff. So yeah, I feel kind of qualified to, you know, give you some tips to get like a, you know, a starting base on, you know, where to move forward to bigger things to make a lot of money really quick. Okay, so the first thing you can do to make money is sell stuff at your school. And now I'm not gonna stress this enough, guys. It's something that I didn't take advantage of when I was really trying to make money, like every nickel and dime. Take advantage of your school, guys. Not like in that way, but like, you guys, kids go there for what, 7 hours a day? Once they're there, they're locked in. They're hungry, they rethink their life, guys. So seriously, just sell stuff. Not only like gum and snacks, because let's be real, guys, whatever school sells is gonna be really expensive. So you can go to like your local like Costco or Smart & Final and get a ton of stuff in bulk for really cheap and sell it at your school. I used to think it was really dumb until I started going to high school, and all the prices are pretty crazy. And now another thing you can do at your school is go on sites like eBay or AliExpress and buy cheap things. An example, the other day I just wanted to mess around. I got this pair of glasses on eBay for $1.50. Now I don't even need to give you guys the link, just look up the glasses on eBay. You can find some for free shipping for like 99 cents, and you could easily sell these things for like, I know these are kind of a goofy pair, but you could easily sell those for like $7-8 at your school, no problem. Like, you can, I mean, that's some really good money. You buy for $1, you know, you buy like 5 for $1, you sell them for 8, you're making like 45 bucks. I mean, obviously you want to get that to a bigger scale, like buy 100, sell them all, then you're making some really good money. But you kind of get the concept, like buy things for cheap, sell them for more. You definitely don't even need a startup price. Like, all you need to do to start up is like $5, and yeah, you could start making some really good money. Okay, so the next thing, something that I wasn't blessed with, but some of you guys are really smart. Now, I just ended my finals, and I know how hard it is to do some classes. So if you are smart, or even if you're not even that smart, you can tutor kids a lot younger than you. And tutoring is a really good way to make money, honestly. Like, parents will probably pay like 30-40 bucks for like a math session or something. Like, if you're good at it, if you're good at school, that can be a really easy, you know, side way to make some quick cash. Okay, so the next way you can make money is, I can't even stress this enough, and because I know most of my viewers are like kids that want to get into YouTube, or kids that are like kind of thinking or interested in this field, and it is videos, photos, video editing, any of that sort. So you guys don't know how much of a demand this is in. Your school, your parents' friends, none of them know how to do Photoshop, After Effects editing, whatever, you know, making videos. You guys take advantage of that. You guys can make stuff. Like, I did this thing with my brother's friend. He was running as a class president. He needed Photoshop stuff. I made him a quick thing, made like a quick 50 bucks. Just like, that's just one example. Like, this is like high demand, and there's nobody that knows how to do it. You can easily look up on YouTube, you know, like tutorials how to learn your program, and like I said, you could really make some really good money off this, you know, just selling them on Twitter, you know, selling graphic design, selling, you know, editing stuff. It's a really good way to make money. Okay, so this next way how to make money is making a clothing brand. Now, I know you're gonna say, holy crap, that seems expensive and a hard process, but it was kind of brought to life by my neighbor the other day, because him and his friends are all pitching in like, what, like 150 bucks, and you know, there's like 5 of them. They're gonna make a clothing brand. So like I said, if you're making clothing and making money off them, if you're spending $5 on a shirt and selling it for 15, and you know, put that to a greater scale, like you're selling like 150 shirts, you only paid $5 for them, you're making 15 bucks. I mean, you're making 10 bucks after you sell them for 15. That's a lot of money, guys. You could really make a lot. Like I said, you're gonna need more of a startup kind of fund, so you can either save up or, you know, do it with a partner, do it with a couple friends. But yeah, I've seen kids at my school have clothing brands, and they make a lot of really good money. Okay, so now this next one, it's pretty quick. It is babysitting and car washing. I don't want to get too much into this because it's kind of basic, but yeah, parents need babysitters, and they always need to get their car washed. So those are quick kind of like ways to make some really quick cash. It's not a lot, but if you really need, you know, something you want and you need like $5 bucks, might as well. Alright guys, so for the last way, it is make YouTube videos. Now I know you guys are gonna be like, what, you need like a ton of views, you need a ton of subscribers. Not really, guys, and on top of that, you gotta start somewhere. So YouTube, it pays, like, it doesn't pay amazing, but for kids that are 15, you can make a lot of money. Like if you can rack up, you know, a couple thousand views, you know, maybe you can get like a couple 100,000 views, that's a lot of money, guys. Like seriously, you guys should look up like the ratios of how much they get paid for, you know, per 100,000 views or something. It's really good. So if you think you have faith in yourself and you think you can like build a community and build a channel, go for it, guys, because pretty much YouTube is like the job that always gives you a raise or gives you a demotion. It's all up to you guys. You are your own boss. If you want to make better videos and make more enticing videos, you will literally get a raise because your videos will get more views, you'll get more subscribers, you'll get a big fan base. If you don't try and you don't care, you're gonna get demoted, you're gonna make less money, you're gonna lose subscribers. So it's kind of cool if you're motivated and you know you want to be your own boss. Go for it, guys. Especially when you're young, you got a lot of time before you gotta go off to college. So yeah, go to YouTube. The whole payment process is a lot easier than you think. And yeah, I mean, that's the last method how to make money. Alright guys, so I hope you guys all did enjoy this video. If you guys did enjoy this video and you guys want more videos like this, because I know you guys requested this one so much because I made a video previously and you know, you guys just really wanted a second one, so I was like, might as well. You guys want it, might as well make it. So yeah, if you guys do like it, hit that like button. If you guys do want to see any more videos like this or, you know, of the sorts, definitely let me know in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Chase Liefeld, signing out. Peace.